Hey guys, back again with more BBs. I'm sticking with the BB guns right now. We'll go to break barrels a little later. We'll get these out of the way. This one's a DPMS. It's a full auto. It's a SBR CO2-Powered BB air rifle. Has dual action capability. I got this as well off of Amazon for about 160 bucks. Pretty fast shipping, free. This is a really nice gun. I like it just to play with. You got a lot of rails on it. You could add a lot of accessories. I got a lot of overkill accessories on it, but like I said, this is just for fun. It's a full size. It weighs about just over 8 pounds. Feels very real. It'll shoot around 1,400 rounds per minute. It's fueled by two 12-gram CO2 cartridges. It'll shoot the BBs at around 430 feet per second. Has an adjustable stock and 25 round dropout magazine. Takes 4.5 millimeter steel BBs. I'll show you everything I got. The gun itself. This is the adjustable stock. Just hit this button under here. It'll even come off. Oops. So see how long you can make it. This doesn't come with a scope for the price. I bought a scope. Called the V-Life scope. Paid about $45 for that, but it's pretty cool. You could dial it in, has all sorts of adjustments. It's battery operated, so it has LED red and green cross lights inside. These on top, this is a regular sight. These two are additional lasers I added, completely optional. Also found them on Amazon. You could say they're pretty cool. And like I said, look at all these rails you got on top. You got on this side as well. So I actually put 3 lights. Got these on Amazon too. That's the light. So that's pretty cool. I like that. You could add a lot of things easily. Here's your safety. And your option to go from full auto. There's the other side. A lot of metal components, it's very heavy. Take the magazine out, just push that button, pops out. Magazine's pretty heavy too. That's where your 25 BBs would go. Spring activated. And your cartridges are in here as well. It just says open, so gotta just pull that up. So there's your regular 12-gram CO2. I use Crossman. Very affordable. And it even comes with this Allen key that stays tucked in right there. So what you're gonna do is put the Allen key in these grooves right here, and as you twist it up, it's gonna compress the gas into the needle, and then you'll be good to go. Don't forget, before you use it, put a drop here on the tip. I like these. I've been using these for years. Crossman copperheads. There's 6,000 in here. They're really good. They last a long time. I have no problems with them. You can get everything you're looking at on Amazon. Same thing here, Crossman. Got the, it's a 40 count. And these are the regular cartridges you were just looking at. They'll buy you some time. Get you a lot of shots. You don't really need to get that many, but if you get a box, you'll be good for a while. Alright, on the next videos, I'm going to show maybe some more BB guns. I got some handguns I want to show you. And then I got quite a few brake barrels I want to show you too. And a crossbow, that's nice, a 10-point crossbow. So, alright, check out the following videos. I'll see you later.